Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we'll use NotebookLM along with Nano Banana Pro to create an animated hand-drawn style video. First, we'll create a new notebook. Then, we'll upload the script for the video. Make sure you write your script beforehand, exactly what you want to say in the video, and then upload it into NotebookLM. Once the script is uploaded, we're ready to move forward. Next, we'll take that single script and use it to create a slide deck. We'll click on Slide Deck and request the deck in a hand-drawn style, using just one slide. We're going to ask for a short length, and we are then going to click Generate. This process doesn't happen in real time, so while it's generating, we'll move over to Google Gemini. We'll upload the same script there, then turn on Nano Banana Pro by clicking on Create Images. Next, ask Nano Banana Pro to create an image that represents the main points of the document in a hand-drawn style. Then click Enter and let Nano Banana Pro generate the image. If you're using the free version, keep in mind that you only get 2 Nano Banana Pro image generations. Make sure you're at the right point in your usage before generating the image. Once it's created, we can go ahead and download it. Now we'll switch back to NotebookLM. When we click on the image, we can see that NotebookLM didn't follow our request. It didn't create just one slide. So, to save time, we'll use the image created in Nano Banana Pro instead. At this point, we'll need an image animator. You can use any image animator you prefer, as there are plenty of options available. We're going to use Speedpaint CEO, and we're going to click on the image that we just uploaded. Next, we'll select the sketching duration, choose the hand style, and set our sketching options. We'll also choose a custom sequence, but for the most part, we'll leave it at the default settings. We will then click Animate, and we will allow Speedpaint to animate our image. So Speedpaint has now completed our MP4 video. It's silent, naturally, and it's 1 minute and 51 seconds. We're going to download the video. You can either narrate the script yourself or use a site like 11 Labs to generate the narration. Naturally, it's better to use your own voice, but you may not like how it sounds, or you may not have the time. In that case, if you can find a decent voice, you can use 11 Labs to handle the narration.
Impact of artificial intelligence on research introduction. AI is transforming research across disciplines, accelerating discovery, improving accuracy, and helping solve complex problems efficiently. AI, in data collection, collects large volumes of.
Now that we have both our video and audio, we can use an AI video editor like Pictory to match the script to the audio. First, click on Text to Video and paste your script into Pictory. Then click Generate Video and choose a theme. Pictory will apply it automatically. Once inside Pictory, we'll link the scenes together. Next, upload both the image and the MP4 video we created in Speedpaint and paste in the image. Because the scenes are linked, they'll play consecutively while the handwriting appears. Now, go to the Audio tab and upload your narration. Keep in mind that the audio isn't fully perfected yet. We used 11 Labs for the narration. After uploading, click Apply to attach the audio to the entire video. Pictory will then generate a preview. While we'll only watch a few seconds here, this process shows how to create a complete animated video using a Nano Banana slide.
Impact of artificial intelligence on research introduction. AI is transforming research across disciplines, accelerating discovery, improving accuracy, and helping solve complex problems efficiently. AI, in data collection, collects large volumes of data quickly, reduces manual effort and human error, useful for large-scale and longitudinal studies. AI, in data analysis, detects patterns, trends, and correlations in massive datasets, performs tasks beyond human manual capabilities. AI, in literature review, scans thousands of papers in seconds, summarizes findings, identifies research gaps, and keeps researchers updated. AI in experimentation and simulation enables virtual simulations and predictive models, optimizes experiments.
That's how you create the video. The key element is ensuring your audio is polished. Pictory matches the audio to your script and lets you embed your video seamlessly. In our example, we took a Nano Banana image and transformed it into a whiteboard-style animated video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.